Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Pictory AI to create the video and for any purposes. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Pictory AI, and here I prefer to access it with my PC to get more spacious view. And you can searching for this Pictory AI in here in the Google Chrome. And as you can see that this Pictory AI will help you to generate the video, even would like to create or generate the video from the text, and you can simply open it, and don't forget to do the login first with your email in this section guys. And after do the login for, then this picture AI will give you the several question like this. For example, what is your purpose and why do you want to use this picture AI? For example, if you would like to create a video in YouTube to monetize it, or for the company, or for clients, personal use, and other. And for example, I will choose this personal use. And after that, it will bring you into this section. And as you can see that this Pictory AI will give you 14 days free trial, guys. And if you need a tour, so you can click this text to video, or if you would like to generate or transform the URL into the video, then you can use this tool. And also you can do the editing or the video editing using this AI that has been provided by this Pictory AI. And you can also transform the image into the video, and also the PowerPoint file into the video, and do the recording guys. So for example, I will show you how to create the video over here. And for example, I would like to create the video about the recipe or step by step to make the hamburger. For example, how to make hamburger. And for example, I would like to create the video from this a spicy perspective. Thank you, spicy perspective. And here I will click it. And for example, I will click this URL to video, and I will put the link, copy it, and paste into this section. And after that, you can go to this platform, or it means which platform that you would like to present or upload the video. They are YouTube, Twitter, or X, Pinterest, Snapchat, and website, and even the LinkedIn video. And for example, I would like to create it for the reel, and the video length will be 30 seconds until 1 minute. And if you would like to create it longer, then you can click this more than 5 minutes. And you can also put the additional information in this section, but it is optional, and if you don't want it, then it is okay, you can simply keep it up. And you can continue to generate the script, and kindly wait for this picture AI to extract every single information in this website of this a spicy perspective into a script in this section. Kindly wait for maybe 1 minute until 3 minutes, because it also depends on the complexity of the content. And as you can see guys, that this all script has ready to show into the video. And if you would like to rephrase it, then you can simply click this setting. There are rephrase, shorten, lengthen, and also change the tone of this script. You won't be more professional, academic, tutorial, storytelling, conversational, informative, and also persuasive. And as you can see that by this script, the video approximately will have the duration 1 minute and 19 seconds, and these are the video ratio. And after that I will continue to generate the video. So by generate that script, it will be transformed into the every single picture of each scene, and also show the script that also being represent in about the information that you would like to show into the video. Kindly wait. And if you have any another recommendation about the another platform that can do the same as good as this Pictory AI, please don't worry guys to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there and making the video in another version. So the video is almost ready guys, and after that it will bring you into the another section that show you the every single scene in this section, and also the picture. And you can click got it here. As you can see that this is the script that has been generated before and will be narrated or will be shown into this section. And if you would like to narrate this every single script, then you can click this audio, and you can choose the, let's say, the narrator to bring or read this every single script guys, and you can simply click this play to preview their voice, and you can click generate and apply. And after that you can go to the download, and you can download it with or without the watermark. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Pictory AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.